Hello everybody, it's Sandro from Abstract Homes Renovations. We're just doing some forming here for a set of stairs and a landing here. It's actually quite a big stair. And I just wanted to go over a few points here, what we do and what I believe you should do to make sure that you don't underestimate the concrete and the weight of the concrete, and what we do here to support the concrete. So we've obviously poured the footing here first, and we've got our rebar at 60 inches on center here. We'll tie into the rest of the rebar on the flat as we go along, but I'll show you that in another video. So right now I just want to kind of go over the structure here and what we're doing here to support it. As you can see, we've got the everything on 18 inches on center here. We got it strapped. This part here will be the lower deck. So when you're thinking about concrete too, a lot of people think that going thicker is better, and that's not necessarily the case here. Concrete's really heavy. You're over 4,000 pounds for a meter of concrete, so you want to go to the right thickness. So here we're going to be about 6 inches thick, 8 inches on the wall, 6 inches on the flat, just so we don't need all that weight, but it's still structurally strong enough because we have steel tying it all together anyways and supporting the tensile strength on that. So that's what we've done here, and this is the upper deck and landing. And what we did is we're using ICF foam blocks here for the foundation. So we've taken off the foam on this top layer here so the concrete, so we get a good connection. We'll be putting a membrane on this as well after we get the plywood on here, and then we'll be drilling and anchoring steel into this so we can combine this all together, tie it all together. And the other form on the other concrete wall that we have on the other side will also have epoxy drilled steel into that as well, coming over and tying all together in a grid pattern here. And then what we've done down here in some of these walls is we're always looking at weight bearing down on it, and when you're going to be using a vibrator and so forth there too, so you want to kind of catch that lateral load at the same time. It may look like it's overkill on this, but I've learned very early on that do not underestimate concrete. It can bite you in the butt quite easily and have a blowout. So again, you always think about your weakest point, right? That's where it's going to blow out. And so you have to look at it as a whole and be very consistent in your framing, and think about all the weight on all the points together and tie everything together so it can do what it's made to do. Take care. We'll see you in the next segment.